Good morning, it's me again. Now I'm going to do a video today on my Ferguson wheels to be fitted to the tractor. Now a few of you have spotted that they're not actually proper wheels, they're roll crop wheels. Now I bought them locally and had them delivered, and all they are for really is so I can move my tractor around, because the wheels I've done up are at work, and because I'm isolated at home I can't get to work to get them, so I can't fit them on, and the weather's changed now and I want to get on with doing the tractor ready for the ploughing season. Now as I say, they're roll crop wheels, but they do for me to move the tractor because it hasn't been moved now for a few months now, because during my illness it was left under tarpaulin, so I couldn't do nothing then all last year. So this year I want to actually do something to it. I've been doing my plough up this year at work, but unfortunately that's at work, so I can't do that. So let's get on with doing this video about the fitting the wheels. A few of your keen-eyed spotters will notice I'm having a bit of a bad hair day today. It's got a bit whisky, and my beard is growing, my isolation beard. So anyway, let me show you the roll crop wheels. I'm going to wash them off, clean them all off, fill them because one needs some air, and fit them on the tractor. And I'll show you the old Ferguson wheels I took off. They're in usable condition, but they're rotted through. There's a crack in one, and you can see where the tyre's been fitted for so many years. It's not going to do any good. So I bought some new ones, and I took off the original centres. I've done them up, they was in perfect condition, and I'm going to fit them to new rims which I bought, but they're at work, so there you go. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Right, these are the two roll crop wheels I bought cheap. I thought if I buy cheap, then at least I can do, it won't cost me a lot of money. So they both got Ferguson centres in. That's got a yellow outside rim, so it could have come off a David Brown or something like that. But this is a grey one, so I think this has come off a Ferguson. Perhaps someone could put in the comments down below whether it is or whether it ain't. But they're, as I say, that's just so I can move the tractor about because it's been sitting so long. And these are the original rims what I took off my old tractor. As you can see, they're in, I don't know if you can see, let me get out of the shadow, pretty rough condition. I tried cleaning them off, but say they're in pretty poor condition. I'd rather, because they're wheels, driving wheels, I'd rather put new ones on. Just if I can find the crack for them. It's always the same when you're doing something like this, you can't really find a crack. As you can see, the new tyres wouldn't seal that great if I put them on there anyway. It must be around this area. Anyway, if anyone wants any old rims, put a comment in below and then come and get them. There you go. Two old centres. Two old Ferguson rims. Right. Onwards and upwards. So I shall get the jet washer out in a minute, clean them off, and go about fitting them. So catch me in a minute. Thanks for watching. Well, there you go. All cleaned, leave them to dry, have a cup of tea, maybe a bit of breakfast, and come back and fit them on the tyre, or put some air in them first and put them on a dry. Thanks for watching. Right, I'm back again. Tyres are up here on the floor. I'm going to unwrap the old girl now for the first time in about a year now. It's not been under wrap, and just get the wheels on and give it a start. Thank you. Right, there she is. Alright, let's go and put some tyres on. Go and get a spanner, I think. And we're back. I'll get a spade. Right, one's on. I'm going to do the other side, so I'm going to fast forward this bit so you don't get bored. So, back in a minute. Right, let's go and get a jack. Right, that was harder than I was thinking, mainly because I've got nothing at home, it's all at work, so I'm scrambling together jacks and bits of wood, but hey ho, it's all done. Now, I'm going to cheat a little bit here with, I know a lot of you are going to say, no, you shouldn't do it, you shouldn't use it, but I'm going to use a bit of the old gas start, because I know the battery will be low. I've tested it already, it is down a little bit. So I've only got sort of 1, maybe 2 chances to get this going. So bear with me just for this once. I'm only going to use it once, but I'm going to use it. Thanks ever so much. Bit of the old easy stuff. Would seem the starter motor stuck, so I'll come back. Right, I think I've unstuck it. I am true, there's very little energy left in the battery, so let's give it a go. Well, there you go. Quick video. It was harder than I was thinking it would be. But there you go. I quite like the look of the roll crop wheels. They look alright. I wonder if it would be tempting fate to use them in planner. I don't know if it would work or not. Well, press advice from you guys would assist me in that. Well, they look alright. So now I can move her around. She started up. I knew she'd start, but because the battery was so low, I didn't want to just wind it over. So I just give it a little bit of sniff, a bit of easy start. I know I'm wrong. I know. But it got her going, so I should leave her ticking over for a little while just to help charge the battery up. And thanks ever so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe as usual. A few more subscribers would be nice. But the old TEF, I'll walk you around it before we finish and see what you think of it. The tyres need some air. I'll tell you that stuff. Okay then. Thanks again. Cheerio for now. See you soon.